Yes, guys, welcome back. Yeah, man, D-Mac again in the kitchen again. And for this one, I'm going to give you a bang. Yeah, yes, guys, I'm going to prepare a meal today. Um, Pumpkin dumpling with curry, saltfish, and cabbage. Yes, so stay tuned, all right? Yeah. Okay, guys, first thing I do, I put on my pot and put my saltfish to boil first. All right. So get the cover and let the saltfish boil out first. All right. So yes, and I'm going to put on a pot now. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some salt in this water here to wash the cabbage. All right. And then cut up the cabbage and then grate up my pumpkin. Well, yes, I'm gonna use this piece of pumpkin right over here. Yes, so I'm gonna wash it and peel it and then grate it. All right, that's my cabbage right here, soaking in salt water. Yeah. Okay, guys, here's my pumpkin, and I'm going to grate the pumpkin now. All right. Yeah. Guys, me can prepare any meal, any meal. Because me man I love the kitchen too. Me I gonna love it here now. Alright. And give you some bush cooking too. Okay, guys, so I finished grating my pumpkin. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some salt in the pumpkin here. I'm going to put in my flour now, and just mix up everything together before I add any water, just like that. Okay, I'm going to mix now before I add any water to this. The pumpkin is wet. The pumpkin already have water in it, so I have to mix up the pumpkin before you add any additional water, Looks like I need a little bit more flour. So guys, see it? I knead it out and I don't have to add any water to it. Alright? Look at that. That's it. That's it, guys. No water added, huh? Though it's already needed no water, because the pumpkin already have the water in it, So I'm going to make my dumpling now and put in the pot. Okay, guys, so this is my dasheen now. I'm going to peel it and then wash it. Alright. Hope this dasheen is dry like how the guy said dry. Yeah. So let's see this. Just put it in the water to wash. Okay, just cut this one in two. Okay, I'm gonna use one more. Okay, peel out everything one time, guys. So I'm gonna cook 2 Irish potato too. Okay, cut this one in 2. Okay guys, so I'm gonna clear the sink out and get some water and wash all of these food that I just peeled a while ago. And just can just get this onion strip right away too. Okay, so we're going to just wash everything all together. And this is this scallion, some people call it spring onion, and we have the Scotch bonnet pepper and the sweet pepper too. So we're just going to just wash up everything one time. Okay, so we're going to clear this thing now, guys. Okay guys, so this is olive food and scallion and stuff like that, so get them washed properly like that. Wash off the dashing here. So just wash off this scallion and the onion. So wash my sweet pepper too. I have to go get a Scotch bonnet pepper in the fridge. Okay, this is my Scotch bonnet, guys. Alright, so I have everything washed, so I'm gonna just prepare the cabbage in a few moments. My carrot. I just scrape it off and wash it. Okay guys, I just scrape the carrot, wash it. This is my garlic. Okay guys, so my pot is boiling up now for the dumpling. So here's my dumpling. I already make them, so just gonna put them in the pot like that. Okay, my pumpkin dumpling. Okay guys, so I'm gonna shred my cabbage now. Alright. Okay guys, so these are the seasons that I'm going to use to combine with the natural season over here, like the scallion and the onion and the pepper. Alright, so we're gonna just use these to combine it in the cabbage, curried cabbage on saltfish. The saltfish bubble away now, so you can put in your seasoning now. Alright, and stir him up. Wow, looking nice. Alright, so put out some black pepper in there now. Yep. And a little chicken seasoning. And a little jerk seasoning. Get a sprinkle some jerk seasoning there. And some oregano. Okay guys, so I'm going to put my cabbage in there now. Alright. And sprinkle some more oregano on the top here, like that. Yeah, this oregano gives the food a nice flavor, guys. Okay, I'm going to stir now. So I'll go put the cover on and let it steam down now. Alright. So check. Okay. Pot over here coming on nicely. Alright. Okay guys, so that is my curry saltfish with cabbage coming on very nicely. Wow, I can smell the aroma. Wow, the Scotch bonnet pepper coming up in my face. Yeah. Wow. That's my curry saltfish and cabbage, guys. So what I have here now, I have some sweet pepper cut up. But guys, what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna throw the sweet pepper in and just turn the stove off and let the steam cook the sweet pepper. Okay, just like that, and just stir it up. Right, and just turn off the stove and leave it like that. Turn the stove off. Yeah. All right, so let's check on my dashing over here, guys. The dashing them hard to cook. All right guys, so my pot is finished. All right, so I'm gonna dish out a plate for you guys. So anybody over there in the cold, come to Jamaica, D-Mac will cook for you. All right. Yes. Look at my window view. All right. So I'm gonna dish out a plate for you now, guys. So please hurry up and come to Jamaica. Yeah. Okay guys, my curry, saltfish and cabbage and pumpkin dumpling are finished, and that is the plate with a glass of water. All right guys, so I'm going to dig in now. All right, so thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel, and please remember to like, share and subscribe. And guys, remember to turn on your notification bell, that when D-Mac posts a video, you're the first one to know. All right, catch you in the other one from Jamaica. No problem, man.